Welcome to the construction zone. It's gonna be great.
Yeah!
Yay! Look at all the big machines.
Look at that huge excavator. Wow, I better write this down. He's ready to dig. Here he goes. Incredible. All right, over here.
Perfect, that's it. Keep it coming. Loaded and ready to go. A bit dusty, but we're keeping a safe distance. Everything is on track. Everything is on track.
Goodbye, driver. Stay safe on the road. We'll confirm the area is clear.
Wow, BB, look at it.
Yes, Boo Boo, it's the road roller. It's time to flatten this ground.
Cool.
Let's get to work.
Excellent! The ground is becoming perfectly flat. Great progress so far.
Next, we need to move these steel beams. Boo Boo, signal the grab truck to start. The grab arm is so precise. It's amazing how it handles the beams with care. The placement is perfect. Well done, team. Everything is aligned correctly. Let's take a short break and review our progress. We're doing great so far.
Be careful with this smaller dig. Boo Boo, keep an eye out for any safety issues. Okay, BB.
Great teamwork. The digging is done perfectly. Let's celebrate this small victory.
Park the truck right here. Guide them in for perfect alignment.
Look at all the machines working together. What an amazing team effort.
All tasks are completed safely. Let's confirm everything is done before we wrap up.
Done and done! Goodbye, everyone. Thanks for the hard work. We'll see you next time.
We did it! Another successful project supervised. Time to celebrate our success.
Thank you for watching. We're proud of our supervision work. Until next time.
Wow! Oh, the lights are beautiful. They really are. Everything is shining. This car is so big. Whoa!
The wheels are glowing.
It feels magical.
Look at that truck!
Wow!
Wow!
Huh? The lights are very bright. They look perfect.
Cars everywhere.
It looks like it's racing. Look at the lights. So cool. This place is peaceful.
It looks very strong.
The details are nice.
The road is shining. The road is shining.
I love this park.
Me too.
Hello, big car.
So many colors. Woo!
Look at them glow. Ooh.
Woo! Ah! I don't want to leave. We will remember this. Hit this. What a wonderful night!
Background ambience includes distant, cheerful park sounds like laughter
Or faint music.
Vroom.
Let me see. Let me see.
Engine trouble.
That's a big problem.
Look! Monster grid! Mon is going up!
Slow. Slow. Perfect fit, monster.
Vroom!
Good. Good.
This is where it begins. In the quiet before the storm.
Every curve perfected. Every surface polished. Ready for what comes next. The grip that will hold the road. The tread that will tear through dust.
The heart awakens. Power flows through every component. Ready!
Go, monster!
Leaving the sanctuary. Entering the arena.
The battlefield awaits. Others have gathered. The competition begins. The roar of challengers. The dust of anticipation. The moment is now.
Power unleashed. Traction broken. The launch begins.
Side by side. Wheel to wheel. The first test of speed. Controlled chaos. Precision sliding. Finding the perfect line.
Terrain changes. Suspension tested. Adapting to every surface.
The final push. Everything left on the track. The finish awaits. Crossing the line. The journey complete. But always ready for the next race. Power applied. Position gained. One competitor left behind.
This place looks amazing!
Woohoo! So cool! So many cool cars. I can't believe it! This is amazing! I know, right? The shape is very smooth.
It's incredibly smooth, isn't it? Oh!
Did he's. The details are beautiful. These lines help the car move fast. Wow, that's incredible. Look at those big wheels. Very strong. Amazing. The inside is very clean. Wow.
Wow.
Look at this interior. So many parts work together.
This car looks modern. It sure does, BB. Look at those tires.
Good idea. Good ideas for the future. This material is light. Yes, it feels incredibly light for its strength.
Design is very important.
Cars can be fast and clean. I feel inspired. Inspired. We learned many things.
Time to plow. Let's do it! We made a perfect line. I love working on the farm. Oh no! Listen to that clank. Something feels wrong. Something's wrong here. Looks like it needs a fix. Oh no! My engine compressor is broken. I need help.
Hello? What happened? What happened?
My engine compressor stopped working. Don't worry. I'm coming now.
I'm here.
Let me take a look. Let me take a look.
That was for Nat. The compressor needs repair. Almost there. Hooray! Hooray!
This should fix it. Try starting the engine.
It works. Thank you, BB. Happy farming.
Starting farm work. Scoop and lift. Moving soil.
Soil placed.
Making the ground flat.
Nice and smooth. Cleaning the farm. Trash cleared. Time for crops. Careful lifting. reporting harvest. Harvest delivered.
Farm looks good.
Work complete.
Ready for tomorrow.
Time for a check. Time for a check. Let me inspect everything.
Hey, the parts work very hard. Ah, some bolts are loose. Oh, one. Yes, that one.
Tight and safe. Now, oil change.
Fresh oil is better. Slow and steady. Everything sounds good. First rule, tools must never stay on the floor.
Got it.
Always sort by size and type. This feels satisfying.
Next, we clean the floor.
I'm ready.
I'm ready.
Slow and steady. Oops. I'll be careful. A clean bench means safer work.
Oh,
Everything looks clearer now.
Labels save time.
oh,
I won't forget that. That's it, Boo Boo. Great job.
Trash goes out every day. Clean space, clean mind. Even doors need care. It looks brand new. And good lighting is important. Dent.
I see everything better now.
never ignore hidden corners. There was so much dust.
Clean tools last longer. That makes sense.
Use the right cleaner. No more mistakes. Inspection is important. I hope I did well. Details matter. I see it now.
Safety first. Always. Always. Look at this transformation! It's amazing!
You did great today. Thanks, teacher.
Follow this every day. I promise.
A clean garage builds great machines. I'll keep it clean, keep it.
Free oil change. Welcome.
Please park here.
We check first. Ooh. All good.
Old oil out.
Clean that line.
Clean and safe.
New oil in.
Ooh. Nice.
Sounds good.
Go! Ready to go! Woo!
Next, please.
Go.
Hello.
Hello!
Teamwork. Always. Always. One by one. No rush. Woo. No, go on.
Filter okay.
Good news! Good news! Nice and tight! Perfect!
Welcome. Yippee. We can help. All done.
Safe drive.
Having fun. Yeah.
Yes! Welcome! Please stop here.
Happy cars. Happy day. Good work. Very good. Very good. See you. Drive safe. Drive safe.
Cap is so dirty. Wash the front. So much mud. So much mud. Clean wheels.
Bottom two.
Soft and safe.
Foam time.
Yo, me too.
Bit. Wait a bit.
Park right here. Gantian. Tantian. Gantian.
Ready.
Rinse clean. Rinse clean.
Almost done.
Nice wheels. Nice wheels. You look great.
Ready to go. To go. See you next time, Cap. The hill is so quiet. What's that? What's that? Let me check everything. I feel warmer now. The engine sounds good. The wheels need space. Let me help you. Let me help you.
So much snow here. Slow and careful.
Slow and careful.
I'm moving. We're... feels normal again.
Stay warm and safe. Harivala! Hagekwa!
Happy journey!
I love winter again.
Bebby looks smooth. Flying very stable.
Feeling the sun's warmth on my skin. Everything is running perfectly.
Heartbeat strong and steady. Power flowing without a hitch.
So peaceful up here. Just me and the endless blue.
Beginning my descent. Time to come home.
Gear down. Aligned and ready. Final approach looks good.
Contact, smooth as always.
Just a short taxi to the parking spot. Almost done for the day.
Oh no! A collision! That shouldn't have. I didn't see it.
I'm hurt. This is gonna take a while to fix. I just wanted to get home.
Wait, something is wrong. I see a crack. That is dangerous. We must stop flying. The propeller is cracked.
It needs repair.
Welcome to the garage.
We fix it here.
Hold it tight.
Perfect position.
Remove the broken part.
Slow and careful.
Mask on.
Safety ready.
Strong weld.
Very clean.
New part arrived.
Looks strong.
Align it. Locked in.
Locked in. No vibration.
Very good.
Ready to fly. Let's go.
Perfect flight. Great job. Good landing. Nice and slow.
Let's make you shiny. Let's make you shiny. Ooh. Tools ready. Spready.
Surface check. Surface check.
Clean first. Good job, Fire. Nice and smooth. Nice and smooth.
Cover parts.
Slow and steady. Tucky.
Even coat don't.
rush.
Doing. You and a bang, bound, no. Who will blow that? Ah.
So shiny.
Bold, soft touch. Whee!
Clean wheels too. Mama!
Looks perfect. Looks perfect.
Ready to go, followed by the low, steady rumble of a large fire truck's engine idling and slowly rolling forward, with the subtle sound of heavy tires on a garage floor.
See ya, fire.